In the dead of winter, home maintenance isn't really what you want to be thinking about. Much better to be cozied up with a good show and a glass of wine, right? But home maintenance is also one of those things that you don't want to procrastinate on. It's so easy to keep saying, I'll get to it next weekend, but procrastinating could lead to emergencies, which could cost a lot of money to fix. So to avoid those expensive emergencies, make sure you are doing your home maintenance check on a regular basis. Here are a few things to keep on your list. Clean and check the gutters before winter. Check pipes, walls, and ceilings for any leaks semi-annually. Check your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors semi-annually as well. Clean your furnace systems and vents annually. Clean your dryer vents annually, and check electrical annually. I recommend creating a schedule for home maintenance and putting it in your calendar or planner. Some people like to spend a day taking care of everything, while others want to spread it out. So they have to do just one task per week. Either way, keep up on your home maintenance so you can relax and enjoy your home. Want more tips like this? Make sure you're following me on social media at bordercityrealestate.com. I am Harpreet Christie, your professional real estate agent with RE/MAX of Lloydminster. Have a great day, everyone.